Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nina's Cookbook. Today we're making my dad's absolute favorite Besan Pooras, which literally translates into chickpea flour pancakes. Besan meaning chickpea flour and puree meaning pancake. Now these are savory pancakes that are very popular mostly in northern India. Now besan, because it's made from chickpeas, is really nutritious. It's got the good carbs in it, it's got fiber, and it's rich in protein. It's a great ingredient to have on hand, especially if you're trying to go for low carb recipes. So I will confess that I do find these pancakes a little bit drying. I like to have them with raita or yogurt, some malai or cream as it's called back home in India, and also with eggs. It goes really well with eggs. You could have it with scrambled eggs or egg bhurji, also with any kind of chutney. Today we're serving it with tomato chutney and a green chutney. Personally, I also like to use these pancakes in the form of a roti that I can just have a side of sabzi and some yogurt and make it into a complete meal. Think of the pancake as dal but in a pura form. To get started with these delicious and high-protein besan ke puree or chickpea flour pancakes, I'm taking these vegetables that I have on hand. The stem and the green part of a few green onions, a small bunch of spinach, a small piece of ginger with the skin on, a carrot and a green chili because I like the flavor, but it's totally optional. You of course can take whatever vegetables you like or have on hand. Some that I recommend that go really well here are shredded cabbage, zucchini or any other squash, including lauki, that's called oppa squash. Then right in the bowl in which I'm making the batter, I'll grate the carrot and ginger and chop up the rest of the vegetables. And because we don't want to grate up our fingers, we'll save the last bit for the chef. And there you have it. We have our bowl with all the vegetables chopped in it. And now's a good time to get the fire going on medium to high flame and heat up the griddle. Next, to finish making the batter, we'll add about 1.5 cups of besan or chickpea flour and a few spices which include red chili powder, turmeric and ground coriander. Now if you don't have these spices, that's not a deal breaker. You can still make these delicious pancakes with just salt. Now this is totally optional, but I like to add about 1/2 cup or so of egg whites in my puree or pancakes. This is for two reasons. One, for the added protein, and two, I find that the eggs make a softer pura. But like I said, this is totally optional, and if you're a vegetarian, you can totally omit it. Next, I'll add water little by little till I bring the batter to the desired consistency. If you're looking for a thicker pancake, we'll make the batter a little thick, not runny. But if you want a thinner one, then we'll add a little extra water to make it pouring consistency. In this video, we're making a thicker pura, but I'll show you a thinner version too. Now that we have the batter ready to the desired consistency and we've gotten rid of any besan or chickpea flour lumps, let's get ready to make the pancakes. Now here's a tip that I'd like to give you, and here's something that I do and perhaps you'll find it useful. I like to make the chickpea flour batter for these pancakes as part of my meal prep. And then when I'm in a time crunch or I'm getting late from work or I've had a really busy day at work, these come really handy. All I have to do is take the batter out of the fridge, make these pancakes, have a side of eggs or chutney, and I'm good to go. So making the puras is super simple. We'll oil up a well-heated non-stick pan or a griddle as I'm using, and let's get going with making the pancakes. Like I said, you can make them whatever size you like and whatever thickness you like. And then it's as simple as spread, drizzle, cover and cook, flip and brown till the pancake's ready. And now here's an example of a thinner pancake where I've added a dash of water to the previously thicker batter to make it slightly pouring consistency like such. And then it's the same drill. Just spread, drizzle, cover, flip, brown, and it's ready.
So I hope you liked that recipe as much as I liked making it for you. And I hope you try it out and write in and tell me what you thought of it. And before I go, I just want to say, why settle for just delicious when you can have healthy and delicious? Thank you and bye-bye.